CompTIA A Plus Core 1 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 3.4. Compare and contrast storage devices. Hard disk drives. Storage drives are computing components that are designed to store digital data. In contrast to the temporary or short-term storage offered by RAM, storage drives provide long-term memory, holding everything from the operating system and software applications to personal files and documents, even when the system is powered off. A hard disk drive, commonly abbreviated as HDD, is one such type of storage drive. Essentially, an HDD is a storage device where digital data is stored magnetically on a spinning disk. HDDs are known for their large storage capacities and relatively lower cost compared to other storage technologies. They are widely used in desktop computers, laptops, and servers. However, HDDs are mechanical devices and are susceptible to wear and tear over time. They can also be slower in terms of data access when compared to other storage drives. The basic structure of an HDD consists of one or more magnetic disks or platters that rotate at high speeds. Each platter has a magnetic coating that stores the data. The platters are stacked vertically on a spindle, and the entire assembly is enclosed in a protective casing. To read or write data, an HDD uses a read and write head that hovers just above the surface of the rotating platters. The read and write head moves rapidly across the spinning platter's surface to access the desired data. When reading data, the head detects the magnetic changes on the platter's surface and converts them into electrical signals that can be processed by the computer. When writing data, the head applies a magnetic field to the platter to encode the information. It might go without saying, but keep these devices away from strong magnets, as they could seriously damage an HDD drive. Now that we know how an HDD drive works, let's talk about read and write speeds. The speed of the rotating platter in a hard disk drive is measured in revolutions per minute, or RPM. This measurement indicates the number of full rotations the disk completes within a minute. This metric serves as a critical factor in determining the performance of the HDD, directly influencing its read and write speeds. The significance of RPM lies in its impact on data access times. With all other factors being equal, higher RPMs generally translates into faster access times, because the read and write head can traverse the spinning platter more swiftly, reaching the desired data on the disk more rapidly. For instance, consider a hard drive operating at 7,200 RPM. It typically boasts quicker read and write speeds compared to one spinning at 5,400 RPM. Similarly, HDDs with even higher speeds, such as 10,000 or even 15,000 RPM, further enhance access times, facilitating faster data retrieval and storage operations. Lastly, we have the form factors for hard disk drives. Form factors refer to the physical dimensions and specifications of the HDD, influencing its compatibility and usage in various devices. Among the array of form factors available, two of the most prevalent sizes are 3.5 inches and 2.5 inches, each catering to distinct computing needs and environments. The 3.5-inch form factor is a staple in desktop and server computing setups. Renowned for its larger size, this form factor accommodates spacious storage capacities, making it ideal for desktop computers that often require ample storage for applications or multimedia files, and in server and data center deployments, where robust storage solutions are paramount. The generous physical dimensions of the 3.5-inch HDD allow for enhanced airflow and cooling within desktop computer cases, contributing to optimal performance and longevity. Conversely, the 2.5-inch form factor is predominantly associated with laptops and portable computing devices. Characterized by its compact size, the 2.5-inch HDD offers a space-efficient solution tailored to the sleek and slender designs of laptops and portable devices. Despite its smaller footprint, the 2.5-inch HDD maintains commendable storage capacities, striking a balance between performance and portability for on-the-go computing needs. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.